only been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your own way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
So here we are in Eastern Idaho finally, in a place that I love called Swan Valley. And this is Upper Palisades Lake along the Palisades Creek Trail. Originally there were supposed to be 8 of us on this trip, but as you can see, the weather is not very good. So it is just 2 of us. It is myself and my new friend Jason, who I met through the YouTube channel. Here's what I like about Jason. Jason, you know what I like about you? Here's what I like about Jason. When I said, we're gonna try to go through Waterfall Canyon, there may be some flash flooding, and you were like, I brought the hammock because you said that there might be some flash flooding, and if there's flash flooding, I want to be off the ground. And that's the kind of attitude I like. Not when he heard there's going to be flash flooding, he didn't say, oh shit, I better stay home. He said, okay, how do I deal with the flash flooding? And that's my kind of guy. I like that attitude. So it's myself and Jason out here braving the Waterfall Canyon loop. So we've gone 7 miles. We're at the upper lake. We passed the lower lake, and we're gonna stay here tonight, and then we'll see what goes down tomorrow. Like, there is some flash flooding possibilities. There is snow. To complete the loop, we're gonna have to like climb over like a 10,000 foot ridge, and I'm looking up here, and it looks like there's a lot of snow there, so it may be an out and back and not a loop. We'll see, but we got this fire going, thankfully, even in the pouring rain. So we'll do this. We'll just enjoy the lake and possibly do some fishing. I brought my fishing pole. We're gonna try to catch some fish.
So what are you doing?
I'm changing over from a dry fly to a wet fly. Finally. This is how you do it. You kind of. And then you gotta take this. Don't step on this. You wanna see this thing? Oh! We're gonna have to grab another one. Alright. Give you the close up. I don't even know what this guy is, but he's beautiful. Little baby trout. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Got him? Give him a little breather real quick. Oh, come here. Where is that thing?
Is he still on?
Huh? He's right here. You can see by the under his gill there. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
That's a cutthroat. So these are juvenile cutthroats, I believe. Oh, this one's sweet. Oh, love it. Fuck yeah. What's up, dude? What's up? Isn't that sick? Don't bite down. We're just spanking fish like... Dude, was it like 3 casts after you caught one that I caught one?
Mm-hmm.
So here we are, morning of day 2. The weather got slightly worse. It's a little bit colder now. High's supposed to be 45 today. This has become a solo trip. Jason left before I could even make coffee this morning. He said he was sick and hurried up and packed and headed out. It is different all of a sudden being alone than coming out here alone. There is a little bit of a difference. Like there's a mindset to it. So to all of a sudden be alone out here, you have to basically change your mindset pretty quickly and kind of regroup. To pull this loop off, I would have to go over a 10,000 foot ridge, and I can't see 10,000 feet from here. I mean, it is socked in. It's probably snowing. I'm just not prepared for that. So I guess the debate is, do I want to go look at Waterfall Canyon? It's 6 o'clock and I have packed up and I think I'm out of here. Here's some more hiking videos for you. YouTube thinks you'll like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.